Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a good day. It's the beginning of the week and things are looking pretty good so far. In this video, we're going to give a quick update on Ethereum's price action, see what the next move looks like. And look, I know there's so many things outside of this chart that are as important, if not more important, than the price action. But this video is for the traders that want to learn a thing or two about technical analysis and are actually interested in being involved in it. So many things we can talk about with the elephant in the room. Obviously, Ethereum delaying the mainnet launch for their layer 2 scaling solution, Optimism. We can also talk about the frustration in the market regarding the gas fees and their impact. And we can even talk about the good news today with Ethereum and Visa now allowing its partners to use the Ethereum blockchain to settle transactions made in fiat. And I'll leave a link for the articles going into more details about that in the description below for you to get familiar with it. And but in this video is strictly for technical analysis and for the traders that are trying to make that 5 to 10% gain. And we've been realizing that our audience is more diversified now. Not everyone's into trading only, so a lot of you are interested in the fundamentals and the programming underlying the crypto world. So soon enough here we'll start discussing that in a separate video, and that way we can cater to everybody and actually provide you that value. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you'd like to see all lumped in together or separate, just let us know. We'll definitely take that into consideration. But back to the charts here. I hope you entered early enough here because it looks like we're doing good and we're still on the same trajectory we've been forecasting in this chart for the past 4 to 5 days. Today we moved from 1,687 all the way up to 1,782 at a 5.6% upward movement, and it looks like we do have enough steam to continue that movement. Now we do expect a lot of resistance at this level regardless, and right now we're at that level that we do anticipate sellers to resist and try to force the price down. But the main question we need to constantly ask ourselves is, do we have enough momentum and buying power to continue this movement? So let's see. Overall here the volume has been steadily decreasing for the past 5 days, which tells us that right now interest in the current trend, which is upwards, has been decreasing. And overall, the fact that we're moving so nicely today, and you can see the distance between the open and the close is significant and it's long, and we're only at almost 50% of volume compared to this bar we had over here on the 25th, where the volume was where the distance between the open and the close in terms of the price movement was actually pretty narrow. And that's basically telling us that today more buyers are willing to get into Ethereum at a higher rate, and sellers are sitting on the side now and not putting up a fight yet. Now keep in mind that we still have 8 hours and a bit remaining for the day, and the sales can come in anytime here, as do we anticipate them to. But this is just telling you that we started the day strong, and it's showing you that increased buy interest that we're having so far in the day. Now, if we're looking at the MACD is showing us that the selling momentum has been subsiding since March 25th here. We saw the sales getting exhausted as we move towards the critical support at the 1,550 range, and looks like the momentum is converting to the positive soon enough, where buyers are actually in complete control of the price action. Now, we're halfway through here, and if we're projecting where the MACD will top off for the sellers to start regaining control, looks like within the next 7 days, we expect buy power to get exhausted and the sellers to start coming to take control. But for now, it looks like we're looking good. So now if we're looking at the stochastic RSI, it's actually looking good. We haven't really reached that top yet, but we're heading there. And you can see here from previous days where the stochastic RSI is in the negative, price action goes up. So let's look at a couple examples that I highlighted for you, and maybe go to the 12-hour chart, just because the daily chart doesn't really paint that full picture. So here, every time we're all the way at the bottom with the stochastic RSI below the 20 level, we do anticipate some sort of uptrend coming up. So now if you add the fact that the MACD is being all the way in the bottom, and that the cells are actually getting exhausted, and where the RSI is also showing some oversold signs, add the fact that you're reaching some sort of critical support level, that's usually good alignment for us to assume a reversal is looming sometime soon. And if you want to get more accurate with your entry, then lower time frames will actually help you timing that reversal properly so you can have a good entry. And it's not 100% accurate, but most of the time it gives you some sense of what to expect next. And when we head to the bottom, expect some buyers to come in soon. And right now over here, we're heading to the top on the 12-hour chart. Stochastic is all the way at the top, so we do anticipate some sort of a pullback happening soon. Right now, if we zoom in, we'd see that the buyers are actually trying to push above, and I do expect some sort of a push all the way up here with some sort of a wick, and then pushing us back down to the 1,700 region where we need to test it, because I don't really think we tested it yet. So that's pretty much it right now. Stochastic at the top, MACDs on the 12 hours also getting to the top sometime soon. It's okay for us to retest this resistance that we just broke at the 1,700 ish. Once buyers actually do take that rest, we will see some sort of a pullback coming back down to retest and actually start to push against this level over here, because this resistance over on this side was pretty significant, but I think the actual resistance we're going to get to somewhere here. And now if you look at it, if we just zoom in, we're exactly where at those higher levels right now. So breaking this resistance is pretty significant, and I think if we do continue to break it and we do continue to jab across it, we know that the more you touch a resistance or a support line, the more it weakens it, and the more you are likely to break above it or below it, depending on the trend. So right now, this is where we're sitting at. I think crazy support is going to be here. Expect a lot of volatility to happen, but we can tell for a fact that the buyers are in the market right now, and we still have 5 to 6 days, if not a week, of buying power that's going to control the market. So these are the critical levels we're looking at right now, and these are my 2 cents on the market. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to support us on Patreon, please do so. We have the link in the description. And if you like the video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.